Hello everybody, and today I will be showing you how to add image, video, audio and another website by embedding it into our own website. And so today first we will write a boilerplate. This is the boilerplate. Okay, so when we go here we can write like this. This was the code I wrote previously to show in the demo. So I have created a code in which it shows the reference on a website to go to the NASA website. If you want understanding, I will show it on our browser. So when I see this is opening, when I click this, you can see why it is blue. Every text is in black color and normal. Why it is blue? And when you click on it, another website opens. So what is this? This is NASA website, and we can determine which website to open in our. We can by changing the link here. Okay. So if I go back to the website and we can see we can add multiple things like this. So now in this I can see the earth with and things like that. We can add anything. Okay. So this is the code actually. You can write normally like this paragraph tag, then in between you can add like a tag, then href. Like this actually gives the reference to the link we are giving. So if you wonder, we can add another thing, another website. So I am also given an example. So I am opening, for example, BMW. Okay, BMW USA. This automatically got open. If I copy this, sorry, BMW, this is not the correct link. I will just go on their official website. So the when I copy this and then I am going back to our code, and we have to write the every link in between the double quotes. When I paste it here, it shows the link. When I go there, back to our website, if I click on NASA, I will get the NASA website. But when I go, I think I will have to restart it. Okay, so what is the issue? See now, oh, BMW is opening. But wait a second, we were opening BMW, but why are we getting the NASA? So to change this, to determine the text, to determine which text will get, how to change the edit the text that we are clicking to open, we go here, and here you see it is written NASA. So when we cut this, we can write like BMW website. Okay, so when I go back to our code, when I refresh it, so it is showing BMW website. It is any, you can add anything, and it is up to you what you should do. And it is a paragraph tag, so we can also change this. Okay, so I can write like this, that official website for BMW in India. Okay, so when I open again on web browser, we can see when I refresh it, it is showing in the change text. Okay, we can do this in between any paragraph. So if you are wondering, let us just take a paragraph from the web. So I am taking a paragraph so that we can also add. So see this, I opened this. Now I will delete. I can keep this, but this is not. I can keep this. We will change it at later. Control Z. Control. X. Okay, so now like I will do like this. So when I pasted, oh sorry, Control Z. See, so when I did this, what happened? The paragraph we copied get pasted here. So if I want conference room number B instead of the main hall, so I want conference room to get highlighted so that we can see it on. See, when we click, we can see another website. So what will we do? We will add our normal code A href. See, we got the suggestion, and when I will write. Um, I will write first of all here. I will give any website name like Amazon. Okay, I just go the link. It is just very big, so never mind. Okay, when I paste it here, you can see it is very huge. So never mind. It is not our attention. So when we close the tag, like we did before, we what will we get? We will close a tag like this. Uh, Wait a second. We will close the tag like this. First of all, we will write a angular bracket, then the A tag already pops in. So we can write this is the map. Okay. So when I go on my website, okay. So when we go on the website, we can just see we are meeting in. Okay, wait a second. Conference hall. Okay. We are meeting in conference hall room B instead of main hall. Okay. So please bring your project notes. See you soon. So when we open it, the site will open. We can also. I have a great idea. We can also add something like we can also add a map. If I go on maps, this is a very good idea though. We can give the example of the map. So if I go on so if I go on maps and I can write uh, I'm writing Eiffel Tower. Okay, Eiffel Tower, it automatically catches it. So when I copy this link, Control X. Okay, so when I go on our website, our VS Code, and I change it, it will get like this. So I'm writing it Eiffel Tower so that it gets more beautiful. So now I will show the project. Okay. So I'm closing the unnecessary tabs. So now I go. We are meeting in Eiffel Tower instead of the main hall. Then if I open the Eiffel Tower, I have already inserted the location. So this is very easy and this is a very interactive project for a beginner in HTML. Okay. The next tab in so now I am having another example. Okay, so if I want to insert images, so what can I do? I have already taken images from the folder. I have written For example, I want to write the Creta. So it is already given me the suggestion. If I refresh it, so if I open this, I get to see this. Okay, so we can also add things like this. So these were some examples of adding images. So if you wanna add some like if we can also add something like, we have already done these. I am actually searching for a image. Yes. So I am copying this. Control X. These both do. Okay. Control X. When I go on my Windows, when I open my folder, I can paste it. Okay. So when I get here, what do I get? Like this. So this is of no need actually. So when I can also add a source like this. So when I go on my actual project, I can write, we have first inserted the images, now I am inserting the music, which is faded and this. Okay, when I go on my website, where is it? Oh sorry, it got closed. No worries, I will open it and again it is opening. Yes, when I open this, a video. Okay, I got this player, I got the whole thing, I got the playback speed and everything I got. Okay, so these were examples of adding the photos. Sorry, photos and audios. And if you want to add a video, so you first of all, for this you have to search videos in your in your folder, and when you finally get a video, you can copy it. Like I have copied it, Control X. Then I am going on my web page, desktop. Then am I am opening it first of all. Then I am pasting it. Okay. So when I go, and I can also change it like this. So when I doing this, I will write play chess for free. Okay. And we have written the MP4 format. Okay. So when I do open a website, like, what is the issue? What is I think I will make it a shorter name. I will rename it so that it is easier. I don't know what is the problem, by the way. I am renaming it. So when I rename, I am writing. I will write song. Okay. So now I will get a shorter suggestion. So this is song. Okay. Go to MP4. When I open on my go on my website, see I get what did I get? I get a video. It is a video. You get all the options: play button, stop button, sound, and full screen. Everything like this. Okay. So these are the things we can do by adding the sources. So this was today. This was all for today's class, and I am also giving a huge round of applause for you for contributing till end of the video. Hope that you liked my video. I did my best. If any suggestions, you can comment to me. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.